All right, guys, we'll first start off on Sweet Pea real quick before I get yelled at. YouTube, what's going on? As you can see, this is part 4 of the Sweet Pea build, and she is running. Haven't got a test rider yet, but I got everything ready for a ride now. She should be ripping on the next one. But I got all the welding done. I welded and made the rear section I'm showing you right there is now rigid. No more shock for right now. I just don't have a heavy enough shock to hold it, so we're gonna make it rigid. Still trying to find a gas tank for it. I got that gas tank on there for temporary, so I still got to find a gas tank. But everything is operational. Brakes work, gas works, all the tires are even aired up, the fire's right up. I end up having to change out, I had to go through like 3 jets to find the right jet. I'm actually running a 93 jet, which is actually a stock 420 jet, which is pretty crazy for a Hemi 212. So that's the one that worked. That's the one we're going to use for now. This is a stage 1 Hemi Predator 212 with a governor delete. And it revs up quick, man. I can't wait to see what it's going to do on these tires. God, this is just all the finishing touchings. I still got to do all the painting and stuff to the frame and all the touch-up painting and still find the gas tank. But as you see it, Sweet Pea is going to be a ripper. And just in time, too, because I was wanting to do this one for the TBC 100, so I think I'll have it ready. If not, I got Old Faithful Big Trike, but I think this one's going to be ready. I revved it up a couple times on power today, and it spun the tires over a few times. So it's definitely, it's ready to go. I'm super excited to ride it. I'll be having a test riding video sometime this weekend. I'll be taking her for a rip, so you're looking forward to that, guys. Definitely turn that bell on. You're going to see this thing getting down. Hopefully maybe I can pop some wheelies or something on it. Oh, man. You see I'm dragging the welder out there. I'm using a old arc welder, I guess you call it. Big box welder. It's been a great machine. It lays down some beads. For these I was running a 60-13 rod, 3mm rod. I really like those. They burn really nice. As you see it, guys, we are welding it up. Got the old piece of rebar there to knock that pipe there straight for me. You know you like that. Let's just watch the build, guys. Yeah. Line everything up, getting everything square. You know, you want it all evened up from when you weld it up. Okay.
Paving this shit, crank.
This is actually 30-something minutes of footage, guys, so I sped it up. So you guys wouldn't be so bored. I appreciate all you guys watching, man, and commenting. You guys rock. I'm knocking out this watch time really quick, man. Thanks to all you guys. Look at that exhaust sticking through the frame right there, looking sweet. It even shoots out little flames when I fire it up. That was pretty cool. Especially when I had the wrong jet and it was really shooting flames in. I should have got a video of that. running a pretty big tire on the back of these. Like, I mean, not too big. They're a 16-inch tall tire. I mean, for a 212, that's a lot of tires. So we'll see what happens on the lines of, you know, how far it's going to pull. I'm running I believe it's a 48 tooth sprocket in the rear and a 10 in the front on a 30 series torque converter. So we'll see what happens, guys. I will definitely have it uploaded by Sunday.
Paving this shit crazy. Paving this shit crazy.
Yeah, buddy. The finishing touches. I also, I got the throttle hooked up on this one. I got the gas tank now hooked up. Well, temporary gas tank. Like I said, I got the jet in it. The stage 1 kit is complete.
Paving this shit
Governor lead's done. Brakes are bled in the front. They're hooked up, ready to go. Still gotta hook the kill switch up. But this thing is ready for a rip, guys. Can't wait. Guys, we're back. Here we go. Yeah, I just had everything spot welded in. So this is just me doing all the finishing welding and then welding those 2 pipes in also. Welding all the motor plate mounts in. I just had everything tacked together at first, you know, just to make sure everything was going to work before I welded it all out. This is just all that finishing up welding, guys. Just check it out. On fire. Don't want to burn that new duct tape seat I got right there. Yeah, buddy. There's some technical difficulties. We're back. Definitely hit that subscribe button for us, guys. Hit that like button for me, too. Love all you guys. You guys are definitely going to go check out Go Cars and Gone Fishing every Wednesday night, 7 p.m., man. God does an awesome live show. Check it out. Oh, and Mr. Polar Bear Ed, too. You guys got to check him out. He invited me up one day to come drive the tractors down the track. See what them big pulling tractors are up to. That'd be so much fun. Maybe one day I can get up there and do that. Just inspecting all the welds, guys. Make sure everything's good. We want this thing to be safe. had to weld that whole front of the metal plate in there. Make sure that was all just tacked together. So I'm welding out that whole front plate now. Should be pretty strong. I laid a couple rods down on her. You know, well, you can get a real good view of that custom exhaust now. Yeah, buddy. Too bad that paint probably won't last so long.
Paving this shit crazy.
Banana, 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 Appreciate you guys hanging out with me, man. I know this is kind of more boring video. Not too fun watching somebody weld. But that's it. There it is. There's the front weld, looking pretty. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all riding out with me, man. I'll see y'all in the next one. Tampa boys, out.